I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we're back with another What's Blooming with Abby and Emily, where we talk all things Tuffney Bar blooms and what is trending in the wedding and event space. And we have some really great segments for you guys today.
So the first segment is our bride merch collab. We just wanted to go over all the products that you could get. Very cute merch, so stay tuned for that. We'll also be going in the warehouse to ask some of our team members our frequently asked questions, and then we're gonna finish it off with a Lucy Tablescape from the Lucy photo shoot that will show you how to do.
Yeah, so exciting things, but first we'll start with the bride merch collab. So in case you missed it, we launched a collab merch line with Bride Merch, who is a New York based company, but she creates streetwear for like bridal streetwear. We were celebrating our 10 years and we reached out to Jenna, who's the founder. So we thought this was just a no-brainer to create a collab line, and so we're going to show you the pieces today.
Yes. So first we can start out with one of the apparel items. So this is the Bouquet Division tee if you're looking on the website. So on the front it has the Bouquet Division letters in the varsity kind of print with the ranunculus and then our co-branded logo. And then on the side, which I really like this detail, it has the co-branded logo monogrammed on here. And then on the back it has 15, the year we were founded, and then just a little slogan, put a petal on it. So just a cute little tee to wear for basically anything.
Yeah. And then we have the matching hat, like trucker hat, to go with the shirt, or I mean all the pieces can be mix and match, but this was inspired by the Bouquet Division tee, and so it has the Bouquet Division, the ranunculus logo, and all of our co-branded logos embroidered, and the underbill is pink, which is really cute.
Yeah.
But that is something cute to wear together. And then we also have the scarf, which I feel like looks really cute with the tee, or matches really perfectly. So we have this silk scarf, and it's got a floral print. It has our brands kind of lightly in the background. It's not too brand heavy or specific, but it is such a nice size silk scarf. You can wear it on your back, you can wear it on your head, around your neck. Someone was wearing it as a top. So there, you know, everyone loves a silk scarf moment these days. So these three items are just so cute and feminine and girly and perfect.
Yes. And then if you aren't into the pink and you want something a little bit more neutral, we have this incredible mock neck sweatshirt. So this one is the Bouquet Club mock neck. Again, it's embroidered right here, very like thick. And then on the sleeve, again, it has the co-branded logo.
The weight of the sweatshirt is so thick, like the quality is really great.
Yes.
And we have the mock neck detailing.
Yep, which is very in right now.
We spent a long time designing that detail, so.
And then the back is like the puff Bouquet Club kind of emblem that you'll see on other things, but just again, super cute. Yeah.
So this is the Bouquet Club mock neck, and we have two more hats that go with it. So we have the Bouquet Club trucker. So it's got Bouquet Club logo, all of our co-branded logos, and then the underbill is green. So this matches the mock neck perfectly. And then we have a different hat style. So this is called the dad hat, but it has the Bouquet Club logo, more of a relaxed fit, more of like a baseball cap. But this is also very nice and goes perfectly with the sweatshirt. Yes. So it is a limited drop. So if you love any of the pieces, be sure to shop ASAP. The link is
in the
below.
Yep.
But it's shopbridemerch.com and join the club.
Yes. We're gonna go into the warehouse and ask a few people some questions that we get all the time, just to refresh everyone and get more info into that. All right, let's go.
So I'm going to start by doing the first question. So we typically get asked, when does the return need to take place? And the return is done the next business day. So if your event is on Friday or Saturday, your return date would be that Monday. And the way you can see your return, it's in a few different places. It's in your customer account when you click your order. It's also on your return checklist in your box. You'll just get a lot of reminders. So just check or reach out to our team and we can help you. Our next question is, do we provide return labels for all of our orders?
Yes, of course, absolutely. We've thought of everything. So you get a printed return label, one for every box. My tip is to always take those return labels out immediately when you get them and put them on every single box, so that way you don't have anybody like looking for return labels at the end of the night. But if you do find yourself in a situation where the printed return labels get lost, you can also go to your customer portal on the website. There's a link where you can download all the return labels you might need. So you always have the option to either use the printed ones or use the download version. So make sure you use those. Don't go and get your own return labels from FedEx's and it costs way more. So use the ones that we provide for you, both printed and downloadable.
Thank you. So the question is, can you sample your wedding flowers? You can order a preview pack for a flat $50 fee. It will include 2 products. You can either get 2 bridesmaid bouquets, 2 centerpieces, or 1 of each. And you'll also get $20 in rewards to put towards your wedding flower order. So we recommend ordering a preview pack. You can get your bridesmaid dresses, you can get your tablecloths, and kind of choose what products you want to see and see how that looks next to your color scheme. So I really recommend ordering a preview pack if you haven't already.
Okay, so a frequently asked question we get is, can you customize our arrangements?
No, you cannot. Everything comes prearranged, but if you have like a specific vision that you're trying to get, you can tuck in some loose stems to fit your vision, but we just ask that you don't remove any flowers.
Perfect. Okay, so our next question is, how much can you save by renting your flowers with some of our blooms?
Usually around 70%.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
So much savings. Okay, so our next question is, where do you ship?
We ship all across the continental U.S.
Yes, so no Hawaii, no Alaska, no Puerto Rico. Sorry guys. All right, our final most frequently asked question is, can you edit your order?
Yes, you can edit your order in your customer account up to 14 days before your event date.
Super easy. You just pay 50% deposit and then you can make changes up until 14 days.
Yep.
Thanks, Michaela. So that was our most frequently asked questions. If you have any other questions for our team and need some help, drop them in the comments and we will get to them. And now we're going to show you our tablescape that we did for the Lucy/lookbook photo shoot. This is super simple tablescape. It'll take like no time, and it only takes like 3 Lucy products and some candlesticks, but it's super easy but super impactful.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you how to do that now.
Yes, so the first thing you're going to do is take our Lucy floral runner, and Abby will show you what that looks like.
So here is the runner. It's about 5 feet in height. The dimensions are on the website, but here's such a beautiful runner. We did a color blocking design, which is a little different than how we usually do the runners, but she just has so much color, and the color blocking is like a trend we're seeing. So we love the runner. The runner also has Velcro straps and these little hooks just in case you need that, but all the straps are easy for installation on an arch. Aside from an arch usage, you can just lay it flat on a table and it's going to be like a really beautiful runner across the rectangle tables. So we just did it flat.
Okay, next we're gonna get a swag. So this is the Lucy swag. It is just like all of our other swags. It's backed with a cage with 5 suction cups, 4 hooks, so you can attach it to any structure or suction cup it to the mirror or the window of your venue, anything like that. But today we're gonna place it on the table.
Just want to do it off the edge here, and the runner you could see was a little short, so we're just gonna fill it in with the swag, and you might have to blend them a little together. There might be a little overlap. Now for final touches, we'll put the candles.
So for the candles, for this specific Tablescape, we used the Tulip Gold candlesticks. It has a little bit of distressing on it. Really, really pretty. So this
insider secret.
Yep, we have
getting these in silver.
We have these in silver coming soon. And so we have 2 sets of these, but again, you can use any candlestick. These are the tallest candlesticks we have. So I'm just gonna place them throughout the table.
It looks really cool because it kind of looks like the sticks are coming out of the arrangement. But all of the candlesticks and candle products, so like votives too, will come with their own LED candle. So it's venue safe and flame free. And these look super realistic. When they're turned on, it like flickers. It's cool.
So I just placed the candlesticks throughout, and now you're gonna place the LED candles in it, and you're done. That was 5 minutes. So easy, so simple, very impactful.
This, what we just did on a mantle, copy and paste would be really pretty too. So
Yep.
don't just think tables, like this could be a few different ways.
Yep.
Uses.
So that is the Tablescape from our Lucy photo shoot. And if you want to see anything else from our photo shoots or any other installs, let us know. But we also take requests.
We are still taking requests. So if you're just not sure how to recreate something that you're really loving on Pinterest or Instagram or TikTok, whatever it is, there is a form in the description. So let us know the area you need help with, what collection you are looking at, and your budget. If you have a specific request, you can fill out a form, we'll pick one. All right, and that is our show today. We hope you guys loved this episode. Let us know in the comments what you want to see from us next, or if you just have anything to share with us. We'd love to hear from you guys.
If you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week. Bye.
Bye.